Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm an industrial engineer. I work at ITW as a manufacturing manager. I decided to become an engineer because I really like solving problems and I like hands-on work. When I was younger, I really wanted to be a scientist. Like when anybody asked me what I wanted to be, I wanted to be a scientist because I thought they were cool and I thought that's what problem solving was. As my parents started to hear me say that and get me involved in different activities, they found these like summer camp things, Women in Engineering Day, and they took me to one of those, and that's when I found out what I really wanted to be was an engineer. So ITW is a global manufacturer. We make almost anything you can think of. If you're sitting in a room, you're not too far from an ITW product. So we make things that go into buildings, into cars. We make large-scale test equipment, industrial food equipment. We make things like that. I work specifically in a plant that makes medical device components. I work in a factory. We do clean room operations. So a clean room is where you have to go in and you have to be fully gowned. You can't wear any makeup, any jewelry, anything like that. You have to wear hairnets because we make medical device components. These are check valves, so they go into the Y sites of IVs. This is what filters the medicine to make sure that it's going into the patient at the right capacity. One of our factories makes millions of these every month, and we have to make sure that they follow the correct processes to make sure that they're good quality parts. The best part of solving industrial problems is that they're problems that directly affect people. Like you get to make someone's life easier. You get to make processes simpler. Somebody working, they can do something easier, take less time. You can make businesses more successful. That's the best part to me. It's directly impacting a person. It's not just engineering specifically. You get to work with like the people in quality, the people on the floor, different managers. You get to see some of the financial aspects. Like you get to really impact everything. So as an industrial engineer, you do have to be social because you get to talk to a lot of people. So if you like talking to people, working with people, I think industrial engineering would be good. You have to be organized because you're dealing with a lot of details and you want to really get everyone's experience in the process, so being organized definitely will help. There won't always be like a clear answer or a clear road to follow when you're trying to solve a problem as an industrial engineer, so you kind of have to be open to the experience and like the journey to get to the end. My favorite part of the design process is define because you can go in like with your own idea or like what you think the end will be, but as you start gathering the data and you start talking to different people, it'll take you to a whole different journey. Some of the criteria that's important in problem solving where I work is definitely the cleanliness. Like I said, we work in the clean rooms. Quality is number one, and safety. We want to make sure that we're in a safe operation and that we're making good parts that are going to go, to hospitals and help people. So as a manufacturing manager, it's really important to make sure that I have enough people, making sure that equipment is running and doing what it's supposed to do so that I have the right amount of work for the people that show up every day.